Pasta, eggplant, tomato, and basil. This is a classic of Sicilian cuisine and represents the taste and flavor of Mediterranean cuisine. It's a very simple dish, and because it's simple, I have to pay attention to small but important details. First of all, I have to sweat the eggplant to extract the water. I'll sprinkle rock salt all over them. Why do I have to remove the water? Because the liquid from the eggplants has a bitter and unpleasant taste. Once I've removed the excess water, this part can be done the day before, I'll dry them well so that when I fry them, a crust will form to keep the oil from penetrating the eggplant. This is a delicious dish, but above all, if it's done in the right season, when the eggplants, the tomatoes, and the basil are at the peak of their flavor and aspect, it will give me the best result. So let's get started. We'll make an X in the base of the tomatoes and peel them with this easy technique. We'll place them in boiling water for 10 seconds and then into cold water. We'll add tomato puree to make it creamier. After 2 or 3 hours, we'll wash the salt off the eggplant and dry it well. We'll put in the eggplant and turn off the flame so it doesn't get soft.